Hey everyone! If you are looking to add an alternate Islamic calendar to your iPhone, you are in the right place. Setting up an Islamic calendar on your device is a breeze. Let's walk through the steps to get it done quickly and easily. First, you need to open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down a bit until you see the option labeled Calendar. Tap on Calendar to open the settings for your calendar. Next, tap on Alternate Calendars. Here, you'll find the option for the Islamic calendar. For the Islamic calendar, all you need to do is select Hijri or Islamic from the list. Choose the option that best fits your needs. After that, if you go back and open the calendar app on your iPhone, you'll see the Islamic date displayed underneath the English calendar dates. So there you have it. That's how you can add an alternate Islamic calendar to your iPhone. If you have any questions or need further assistance, just drop a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips.